मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे अमरीश भाई।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
सो आज आप 55 साल के हो गए, तो उम्र 55 की और दिल 55 का। सो वैसे तो यू ऑलवेज यंग एट हार्ट, और अभी वैसे मैं देख रहा था कि 55 है, लेकिन मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जब तक ये 55 नहीं हो जाता, जब तक आप अपने बर्थडे को इसी तरीके से मनाते रहें और अपनी लाइफ को एंजॉय करते रहें। और मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, ना तो आसमान से लाए गए हो, ना ऊपर से टपकाए गए हो। कहाँ मिलते हैं आपके जैसे दोस्त, आप तो स्पेशल ऑर्डर दे करके बनवाए गए हो। तो इसी बात पे वंस अगेन विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। और बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। डियर अमरीश भाई, एंजॉय योर डे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
एंजॉय योर बर्थडे, कीप रॉकिंग एंड लिव लाइफ किंग साइज।
Happy birthday, Amrish Bhaiya. Wishing you very healthy and prosperous life.
हाय अंकल, नमस्ते। कैसे हो? विश यू अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे। काश मैं वहाँ पे होता इस टाइम पे, मुझे आना भी था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरा सेकेंड डोज की वजह से मैं नहीं आ पाया। बट नेवरदलेस मैं बहुत जल्दी आऊँगा वहाँ पे। मैं फिर से आपके साथ बैठना चाहता हूँ, आपके साथ बातें करना चाहता हूँ, एंड मैं बहुत जल्दी वहाँ पे आऊँगा भोपाल। I just want to say thank you for being such a cool and such a wonderful person that you are. क्योंकि जब भी मैं भोपाल आता हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपने खुद के घर में आया हूँ, because there is so much warmth. तो thank you for making me feel like that, and yes, of course, I am going to miss celebrating the birthday with you. बहुत मिस करूँगा, बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ सबको वहाँ पे। बट नॉनदलेस जब भी मैं वापस आऊँगा, फिर से वहाँ पे आऊँगा, विल अगेन सेलिब्रेट एंड विल अगेन हैव अ गुड टाइम। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू से wish you a very 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 happy birthday once again. I hope you have a really really great day, and see you soon. Bye uncle.
Hello, namaste uncle. A very 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 happy birthday to you. I hope you're already having fun. I definitely want to tell you one thing that I've always told Devansh, that he's lucky to have a father like you, because you're less of a father and more of a friend, and that's the best combination to have. I still remember कि जब मैं भोपाल आया था, मुझे ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगा था कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड के घर पे आया हूँ। आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट दैट मैं अपनी फैमिली के पास वापस आया हूँ टू स्पेंड अ क्वालिटी टाइम। एंड द रीज़न इज़ बिकॉज आपने और आंटी ने यू ट्रीटेड अस एज your own family and not as Devan's friend, and I really want to thank you for that. I still remember उस टाइम मैंने आपको पूछा था कि अंकल, आई रियली वांट टू नो योर लाइफ स्टोरी, एंड आई रियली वांट टू नो कि आप इस लेवल पे आपकी जर्नी आपने कैसे यू हैव प्लान्ड इट, एंड हाउ यू हैव ग्रोन इनटू योर लाइफ, एंड हाउ आर यू सो सक्सेसफुल एट this time. And you told me that like आपके life struggles क्या क्या थे, and how much you have worked hard to be where you are right now. And I want to definitely tell you that that's the most inspirational story I've ever heard, and it still stuck with me because it became a direction for me to look my life in a very different way, and to reach where I always wanted to be. Thank you so much for all the best wishes that you've ever always given to us. One thing I want to tell you, uncle, that you're not just a role model to Devansh or Ekansh, but to me as well. I definitely see myself in a way that where whenever I'm successful, I'm still so down to earth, and I'm still so happening around everyone wherever I am. And that's all in all because of you. Thank you for always being there. I hope you are going to have fun after watching this video. I wish to see you very very soon. I'm planning to come to India, and definitely planning to come to meet you guys. Until then, again, a very 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 happy birthday to you, uncle, and I hope you really have fun and you have a safe year ahead. And I will talk to you soon. Enjoy. Bye bye. Take care.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. I hope you had an amazing day to day that's filled with a lot of love, a lot of good food, and a lot of fun memories. I really wish that I could have been there with you on your birthday and that we could have celebrated together. But I promise that I'll be there soon and make sure that we have a great time. I wanted to thank you for being such an amazing support system in my life and being one of my biggest cheerleaders since I can remember. I've only had the best memories with you that have just been about so much of love, warmth, and just getting to be who I am without having to worry about, what you might think or what others might think. And that's really so rare and special to have, within your family, with someone. And you've been so incredibly supportive for whatever I've wanted to do in my life. And since I was a child, you've always encouraged me to live life stress free. Tension देने का है, लेने का नहीं, and that has definitely been my motto since I've started the business. And I love you so much, Mama. I really hope you understand how much you mean to me. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday once again, Mama. Love you so much and have a good one.
Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. I love you, Mamu, and I'm so lucky to have one of the coolest Mamus one could ask for. And you are such an amazing person, and I wish you so much love, happiness, and just joy and adventure, because in life you have taught me that we live once and we need to live it to the fullest. There is nothing no one is incapable of if you set your mind to it. And you have been one of the most supporting people in our lives, especially mine and Annika's. And you have given us so much love and happiness. We're so lucky to have you and can't wait to, be back and see you soon, give you a hug, get a drink and celebrate like we really do. And maybe we can get Devansh to sing a song and dance for us as well. I love you lots, and I hope you have the most amazing day. Ben, I'll see you soon.
It's very difficult to say something about your nearest and dearest ones. And Raksha has asked me to say something about Amrish. Amrish is true to his name, like the sky. His name means sky, sun. And I think if I remember very well in my memory, the one thing which is very much there in my mind and my heart, which has left its imprint, was when my mother was very sick and my father was out of the station, and we all three were very young, and Amrish was hardly in, I think, 3rd and 4th standard. And he rushed to the hospital and begged to the doctor, please come home and see my mother. We didn't even have a money when doctor saw our mother, and he was leaving. And we had to pay him some money. So Amrish opened the money from our piggy bag and he said, Audience and doctor, we have only this much. When my father will come back, I'll give you more money. Thank you so much. That was something was left really beautiful memory in my mind, my brother. And I wish him very, very happy birthday. And I pray to the God to keep him healthy, hearty, happy, and always, always happy. He's so beautiful soul, dearest and loving. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, dear my little brother.
Birthday to you, हैप्पी बर्थडे और मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे अमरीश। तुम जियो हजारों साल और हमेशा इसी तरीके से कामयाब होते रहो और अपना जो है जो भी बोलो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत काम होगा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Wish you a very very happy birthday, Mosa. We all love you. Waiting to meet you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your party.
Hi Mosa, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. May God bless you with more success, good health and more wealth. Have a great day, party hard, and one drink from our side also. Cheers, and once again happy birthday.
Hi Amrish, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. I hope you must have enjoyed today, your birthday, and wish you a very happy, long, healthy life. Bye, all the best. Thank you.
को बहुत शुभकामनाएं हम दोनों की ओर से। लेकिन मुझे एक बात का कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन देना है कि आपको 2 अवार्ड मिले हैं रिसेंटली। नहीं तो अगर पता नहीं चलता तो पता ही नहीं होता।
जन्मदिन की बहुत शुभकामनाएं, खूब प्यारा आशीर्वाद। भगवान आपको तन मन धन से खूब सुखी रखे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे जिया जी।